Hi, my name is Charity Garrett, and I am the Valedictorian for Kirtland Central High School.
I'm Olivia Miller. I am the Salutatorian of the graduating class of 2024 at Kirtland Central High School.
It was super exciting to find out, and then a little bit scary because of this speech, but with all the support that I've had from everyone, it's been a lot easier and a lot more exciting.
It was a complete surprise that I became salutatorian, jumping from number 5 to number 2. My mom always wanted me to be either salutatorian or valedictorian, so that was a great surprise for me and my family.
Online school, when COVID hit, it was definitely a change, and it was definitely a lot harder for me. And then after that, it was definitely my procrastination. I tend to leave things to the last minute. I definitely was open to trying new things. I wanted to just do as much as I could instead of finding one thing. I wanted to find what I was truly interested in. Any opportunity that came, I just took it.
Probably the biggest would be keeping motivation, pressure to get good grades, keep your grades up, and especially I was a cheerleader, so I had to keep my grades up in order to be on the team. Cheer is a year-round sport, so it became a big impact on my life. We still had each other and we had each other's support, and it was always such for the most part, a positive atmosphere to be in, and everyone is so supporting, especially this year.
Something I'll never forget is definitely all of the fun times that I had with my friends whenever we'd do school projects, like football games and activities. Funny things that my teachers did, and all the times that I truly got to connect with them. That'll definitely stick with me too. I do plan to go to BYU Provo for the fall semester this year.
So I plan to attend Texas Tech University in the fall. I'm going to study clinical psychology, focuses on mental health and behavior and stuff like that. I mean, obviously I want to become a psychologist and understand the brain and mental health and learn how to help others. But one of my goals is to create a website or something. I want to create a space where people can reach out, and in my spare time, I can reach out back to them and help them.
My parents are always there when I need help with assignments or when I just need someone to encourage me to keep working. And then my brother and my sister are always huge inspirations to me because they have graduated and they both did good in school, and so I just want to be like both of them.
So my dad, he supports me no matter what. He's always telling me how proud he is of me and how I need to keep fighting. And my mom and my stepdad, they support me here with everything. Other than them, I'd have to say my best friend. She goes to a different school, but she has helped me a lot for everything.
Yeah, I just like to thank my parents and thank all the teachers that taught me and were willing to be patient with me, that were so kind and let me learn my own way. So,
things, of course, I've mentioned is being kind and helping others when they need. And that is something I learned during school. I've helped so many people, and it makes me feel good to help others, and I know it makes them feel good too. So I'm going to continue to help others, continue to push through my own challenges and help others push through theirs and encourage people and just try my best to keep everything positive.